Hey, Grant here. I found something I really like. My wife loves them too. Just wanted to show them to you. They're from Grove Company, Power Clean laundry sheets. These things work as well, or if not better, than just your regular detergent that you use in these. They're organic. That's the good part. This is all made from organic materials. Even the box is organic. It just comes in sheets. You just take a sheet out, put it directly into the drum of your washer, and then you add your clothes. And you're ready to go. These sheets have already been pre-calculated, pre-measured. You're not having to try to measure out your liquid laundry detergent. Just throw a sheet in there, depending on the size of your load of your laundry. Get 32 loads out of one box. I got a double box come in. All I can say is re-love them. You ought to try them out, see what you think. Grove Company. I hope this helps. Hope to see you again.